Hello, baby. Hello.
Hi, Mr. T. How are you today?
I'm fine, man. How are you, man?
Welcome to the show. How are you? Okay. So today we have this reading here. It's about neighborhood guide. We want to talk about different places in the neighborhood, and we want to check out this nice reading about different places. Okay. So we have lesson D. Let's get started. Before we start, let us tell you about Neighborhood Guide. Neighborhood Guide tells us about things to do or what good concerts are in the neighborhood or maybe what movies you can see in the neighborhood. Okay? Let me ask you a question. Where do you find information about places or events or things to do? Where do you find information?
And wait, please wait. Start football. Yeah.
Okay, so how do you understand that? For example, tonight is a football game. Where do you check the information?
Online shop. Internet.
You can check that online, internet, yes. Yes, okay. What else? Only you check it on the internet?
Yeah.
All right,
Now,
yeah.
yeah.
Sometimes people check it on the internet, sometimes it's on TV, sometimes in newspapers or banners or things like that, or maybe on the radio. It depends on how you get the information. Anyways, let's start part A. Do you know any neighborhoods with these things? Tell the class. So we have these items here. These are about neighborhoods. Let's check them out. Unusual boutiques. Unusual boutiques. What's a boutique? Boutique is a small store. Okay, small store that can sell clothes or maybe other specialized items. So boutique is a small store. Next, we have expensive jewelry stores. Expensive jewelry stores. What's jewelry? Jewelry is like some items, like they are gold or silver that men and women use to make themselves look more beautiful. Like they have earrings, they put it on the ear. They have rings, they put it in their finger. Or maybe they have bracelets, necklace. These are different items of jewelry. Next, we have comedy clubs. It's a club that comedians go and they tell jokes. Poetry readings. Some parties, some places that poets go and they read poets. They read books and poets. And the last one is art galleries. So gallery is a place that you can buy art. Maybe you can buy paintings or sell paintings. That's a gallery. So do you know any places that they have one of these items or things? Can you tell us, please?
Theater and
How is the good theater?
so medium theater.
All right.
Normal
Any other?
theater. And bookstore
Yes.
and bed store.
Bed store.
Bed
Okay.
store.
You mean they sell beds?
Yeah, yeah.
Probably. Okay. Are there any art galleries in your neighborhood?
Art gallery? No, no.
Right. How about comedy clubs? Are there any comedy clubs?
No, but expensive jewelry stores, yes.
Uh-huh. So there are some expensive jewelry stores. Right. Thank you. Now in this part, we want to check out this reading. Before we start the reading, I want you to look at the pictures of the reading. Can you guess what shop or what place is this? Picture one. What is it?
I can see clothing store,
Probably it's a store, clothing store, right? What about this?
museum.
Probably, yes, museum, or maybe a park. You can see trees in the back.
Yeah, yeah.
Number three, what's this?
Concert,
It's a concert, live music. And this one?
TV show or comedy.
Comedy club, or maybe a, yes, okay, probably. Good, good, okay. Thank you. Now, the technique is this. It says look at the photos in the article first. They can tell you what the article is about. So we looked at the photos and we tried to guess. Now, in this part, we're going to check the reading really quick, and after that, we want to answer these questions. We have true and false questions. So we want to check the reading and talk about the new words. Okay, I want to read the first one, the village. Okay, let's check that out. Welcome to Manhattan Greenwich Village. The name of the village is Greenwich. This artsy neighborhood has something for everyone. There are outdoor cafes, great theaters, music, and comedy clubs, interesting stores, restaurants, and beautiful parks. Okay, let's check out number one. Bleecker Street Shopping. So this place has some shopping stores. Window shopping on this busy street is fun. There are some wonderful stores and unusual boutiques. It's a great place to buy books, clothes, and jewelry and jewelry. Stores are usually open between 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. Do you have any questions from this place?
Window shopping is meaning here.
Okay, good question. Window shop is when you want to walk in the neighborhood and look at the items. So you don't want to buy anything. Window shopping.
Just
Me-
look and not buy. Yeah.
Yes, just walking and looking at the stores and at the windows and items. But maybe you don't buy anything. That's window shopping. Any other question?
No, no.
All right. Let's go to the next part, live music in the village. Okay. There's a great music vibe in the village with street performers, old record stores, and villages famous jazz clubs, such as Fat Cat and the Blue Note. For more information about the shows, visit the Gotham Jazz website at www.gothamjazz.com. Any question here?
No, no.
All right. Well, let's move on to the next part. We have Washington Square Park. Okay. There are a lot of free events in this beautiful park. Concerts, movies, poetry readings, and more. It's also the perfect place to just sit and enjoy some quiet time and maybe play a chess game. It's open from early morning to 1. Question here?
Play a chess game. Chess game.
Yes. Chess is like a board game, okay, that people play. It has a board and some items that you can move on the board. It's a board game.
Okay.
And the last part is art in the village. The village is full of art, and it's not just the galleries. Check out this storefront covered in keys. Be sure to go to the Forbes galleries. The exhibits change throughout the year, and there's always something new to see. The galleries are open Tuesday through Saturday, and admission is free. Question?
What mean admission?
Admission means if you want to go in the galleries, it's free. Okay, you want to go and visit, it's free. You don't have to buy a ticket or something,
Free.
right? Yes, it is free. You don't need to pay any money for it.
Okay.
So here we have this reading. After we finish, we want to go to part C and check out the answers for these questions. Read the article again. Are these statements true or false? Check true or false. Number 1. Can you read the text, please? Number 1. Bleecker Street.
Bleecker Street is great place to go window shop. True.
Is true, right?
Yeah.
Number 2.
Washington Square Park opens at 1 o'clock in the morning. 1 o'clock? Yes. True.
Does it open at 1 o'clock or close at 1 o'clock?
It's open from early morning to 1 o'clock.
So it opens in the early morning and up to 1 o'clock. After 1 o'clock is closed, right?
This false?
Yes, this item is because it opens in the morning and it goes throughout the night. At 1, it is closed.
Okay.
Number 3, please.
Washington Square Parks has free galleries. True.
Washington Square Park.
Free events in this beautiful park.
Okay, it has concerts, movies, poetry readings, and more. Yes, probably it has free galleries. True. Number 4, please.
www.goodmedjazz.com, yeah, is a website with information on jazz clubs. True.
Yes. And 5.
Uh, the Forbes galleries are expensive. No, its admission is free.
It's not expensive. Yes, it's cheap. Not really expensive. Okay, it's
False.
free. That's right. All right, very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this reading. This reading was the first text in the book. And if you have any questions about the reading or the classes, please make sure to comment. We will see you in the next session. Goodbye.
Bye.